Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link an EA account to PS4. There are actually two ways to link your accounts. Okay, so the first option is by go ahead and opening up a game from your PS4. So when you go ahead and open up any EA games, okay, it will then go ahead and prompt you to log in or sign in with your EA account. So just go ahead and sign in, and after that, it will automatically link your PS4 and EA account. Now, the other option is by going to your favorite browser. It could be on your mobile device, desktop, laptop, or console, if your console supports a browser. Okay, go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. And then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, again, just sign in with your EA account. Once logged in, go ahead over to the left panel, and then just click on Connected Accounts. Right here. Now go ahead and find not linked or this not linked section and just find PlayStation Network. Okay, you gotta want to click on it, click on continue, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you'll be able to see the sign up page or sign in page for your PS4 or generally your PSN. So just sign in right here with your PlayStation account, but if you don't have an account, just click on create right here. Sign in and then click on next. And then after that, the next page, there will be a big connect button. Go ahead and click on connect, and once done, you're good to go. That is how you link an EA account to PS4. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.